Performance by the forecast with meteorologist James DeFazio. And what are we expecting for the weekend?
It's going to be a wet weekend, and we're going to be seeing rain almost for the entirety of it, unfortunately. And by the time things are all said and done tomorrow night, all of us see about 3/4 of an inch of rain. So we're going to see a good amount. It's not just a light. It's going to be quite a soaking rain. Let's get right into that forecast. We'll get over to the current conditions here. It is still mild, and it's going to stay mild. 58 degrees, cloudy skies, and we're expecting lows tonight to not get below 52 degrees. We're going to stay very mild. Temperatures relatively stable tonight. Cloudy skies continue until the rain develops overnight tonight. We're going to have widespread rain showers, and once those widespread rain showers continue to move through, wraparound showers develop on Sunday. And it's going to be cold enough that the high elevations are even going to see a bit of a rain-snow mix for a short period of time Sunday morning. Some of those rain showers beginning to work in on your Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 live radar, but the widespread rain has yet to arrive. We'll be tracking that coming up. We do warm up after a chilly weekend. It gets nice and warm for Monday and Tuesday. Coming up, we'll break down that rainfall chances and exactly when that rain comes to an end at the second half of the weekend. Jason?
James, thank you.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist James DeFazio.
Good Friday evening. We had a warm, sunny afternoon despite the scattered showers that we've been dodging since this afternoon. We've had on and off showers across central New York. Downtown Utica currently dry, a couple of showers around in the area, and we'll take a look at the Yorkville Battery radar here in just a moment. Your weekend forecast, we'll get into more detail, but in general, wet and colder. The wetter of the 2 days is definitely looking to be Saturday, and it's going to be the 5th consecutive Saturday in a row that we are seeing widespread rain. Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 live radar. A lot of this lighter green is not rain, it's just ground clouder that is a default, or I should say a radar issue. It's these darker greens that are actual showers, that are actual reflectivity that is actually showing up. They're not too heavy, they're moderate at best in terms of rainfall, and the heavier rain is still back off to the west, but it's not far away. It'll be here in about an hour or two. 58 degrees and cloudy in Rome. Calm winds are going to continue. That widespread rain develops overnight tonight, and that wet weekend is going to continue. We have wraparound showers that are going to develop on Sunday and linger through most of the day. And the high elevations on Sunday see a wintry mix of rain and snow. Temperatures Sunday morning in the upper 30s, a chilly start. Radar satellite showing those scattered showers, but if we look back to the west here, we can see that widespread rain, which is beginning to work into the western portions of New York State. This is going to overspread the area shortly after midnight tonight, and then it is going to rain for basically the entirety of the overnight and into tomorrow morning. Let's talk about air quality a little bit. The pollen right now, extremely high pollen count. If you're sensitive to spring allergies, it's not a good time of year right now. Those wildfire smoke as well, just want to make you aware. Our air quality, it was a little poor. We had medium issues. It wasn't unhealthy, but not clear either. By tomorrow morning, that completely has cleared out and come to an end. Those scattered showers continue ahead of the widespread rain that arrives shortly after midnight. Widespread rain overnight continues through the morning. By tomorrow morning, we wake up to more rain showers. It's scattered rain showers through the morning, mostly cloudy of a day. Scattered rain showers return in the afternoon and in the evening. And as we head into Sunday, that wraparound moisture settles in, and that mix of rain and snow develops with temperatures in the mid-30s. Tomorrow, highs around 63 degrees with plenty of rain showers. Your 7-day forecast. We have a chilly start on Sunday, but we warm all the way back up into the low 50s. On Monday, we get into the mid-60s with plenty of sunshine. Tuesday, all the way up into the mid-70s. We're tracking the chance for some stronger storms, and then some calmer, drier weather for Wednesday and Thursday.
Alrighty, sir. Thank you very much. Coming up next, Carmen, forecast with meteorologist James DeFazio. We're going to get some rain this weekend.
Absolutely. It's going to be a very wet weekend, and we're going to pick up a good amount of rain. We're going to pick up anywhere from a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch of rain all overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. So it's going to fall rather quickly. We're not going to see any flood issues, fortunately, but we are going to pick up some much-needed rainfall. I was taking a look at some of our stream levels and stream gauges, and we could use a little bit of rain. Water levels are a little bit low. It's going to be a mild night, still 60 degrees and cloudy up in Rome. Not going to be too windy either, only a light breeze at 9 miles an hour. Widespread rain develops overnight tonight, shortly after midnight, ahead of that wet weekend. Wraparound showers continue into your day on Sunday, and the high elevations on Sunday see a wintry mix of rain and snow before things eventually warm up. Scattered showers on your Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 live radar. Things are going to eventually become much more widespread as we head into the overnight. We'll show that coming up in full weather. Jason?
All right, thank you, sir.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist James DeFazio.
Good Friday evening. We were treated to a couple hours of sunshine this afternoon, which allowed temperatures to climb up into the mid to upper 70s. But for the most part today, we've been seeing scattered showers both early this morning and throughout this evening, on and off. As you can see, downtown Utica, we have a scattered shower that just moved through, and the roads are wet and cars are driving through some puddles right now. We have these scattered showers moving through. These are still not in association with that widespread rain that's going to arrive after midnight. The Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 live radar showing in these yellows and in these darker greens some of these scattered showers. This lighter green off to the north is just radar returns. That's not actual precipitation. It's these darker greens and yellows where the rain is currently falling. 60 degrees and cloudy up in Rome. Currently dry up in Rome. 9-mile-per-hour breeze out of the southeast. Winds will stay light tonight and tomorrow. Widespread rain develops overnight shortly after midnight. Ahead of a very wet weekend. Wraparound showers linger and continue into the day on Sunday, and high elevations especially, but possibly even all of us, see a bit of a wintry mix of a rain and snow for a period of time Sunday morning before temperatures rise. Those scattered showers working through central New York still right now, but back to the west, entering western New York, you can see widespread rainfall, and this is going to overspread our area, come into central New York, and bring us rainfall for the entirety of the night and into tomorrow morning. Let's talk about air quality for just a moment. The pollen forecast is really, really bleak right now. It's about as bad as it can get. The pollen count is at its highest this time of year. The trees are budding in the next 3 days. If you're very sensitive to spring allergies, even if you're not very sensitive, if you are conducive to spring allergies, you will be feeling it. We had a little bit of smoke in the air as well, courtesy of wildfires from down south. Fortunately, that smoke is going to lift out of here. The air quality is going to return to completely 100% refreshing tomorrow. Those showers return, or I should say those showers move in shortly after midnight, widespread. We see steady rain through the overnight. Tomorrow morning we wake up, it's still raining. Rain showers continue through the morning hours. Scattered showers with mostly cloudy skies. More rain continues into the evening hours. As we head into Sunday, we start to see those wraparound showers work in. That rain and snow mix develops. No real accumulation, but a nuisance for sure. Tomorrow, widespread rain, highs around 63 degrees. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast, we warm up Sunday afternoon into the low 50s. We warm up even more on Monday, sunny mid-60s. And then Tuesday, we're tracking a chance for stronger storms later in the day, highs all the way up into the mid-70s.